Number 3. KAIWEETS TRMS 6000, a versatile and reliable multimeter that will meet all your electrical testing needs. This multimeter is packed with features that make it a standout choice in the market. The LED lights on the jacks shine accordingly when you switch the dial to the function you need, making it easy to operate. The auto-ranging feature saves you the hassle of having to manually select the range of value, while the large LCD display ensures easy reading of the results. One of the standout features of the KAIWEETS TRMS 6000 is its non-contact voltage testing and live function with sound and light alarm, providing an added layer of safety. The flashlight on the back also comes in handy for working in dimly lit areas. Safety is a top priority with this multimeter, as it is IEC rated Cat 3 1000 volts and Cat 4 600 volts certified. The double ceramic fuse and thermistor protection circuit provide anti-burn protection, while the high voltage protection is active on all ranges. While this multimeter has a lot to offer, some users may find the silicone protective case a bit bulky. However, this extra layer of protection is essential for preventing any damage from accidental drops. Overall, the KAIWEETS TRMS 6000 stands out in the market for its wide range of features, ease of use, and emphasis on safety. If you're in the market for a reliable and versatile multimeter, be sure to check out the KAIWEETS TRMS 6000.